Hey guys, it's me, Seren, back with another video. So today is Halloween, and you guys know I love Halloween. It is my most favorite holiday. It's my most favorite day. A few years ago, 2 years ago, 2017, I dressed up as Joker, and I did a video doing my makeup for that a lot of you guys really enjoyed. So I wanted to do one this year. Today is Halloween, even though you guys probably aren't going to be seeing this video until tomorrow, November 1st. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already have seen my costume, which is a space cowgirl. I'm super excited about putting this costume together, and I'm going to try and do some sort of fun, sparkly, intergalactic makeup or what have you. So I went to Rite Aid, and I had this tube of like silver Maybelline lip gloss and like eye stuff in my hand, but that shit was like $10, and I was like, $10 is too much because I will probably never wear this galactic shit again. So instead I went with the trusty Wet n Wild that was only $1, and it was also buy one get one 75% off. So I also got these eyeshadows as well. Everything was like $1. Well, this was like $1, this was like $1, and I guess like one of them was like 25 cents or whatever. Correct me if my math is off. So I got this lip gloss and I got this eyeshadow. I'm gonna do my eyes first, and then I'm gonna try and do like a silver sparkly lip thing. I have no idea if it's gonna work. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I also happen to have a terrible fucking cold right now, so if I sound congested, or if you see me possibly sniffle or use a tissue, I have a tissue over there, that's why. But I'm still in the Halloween spirit, and I'm super excited and looking forward to doing this. So let's go ahead and get into this makeup, and I'm going to show you guys my full Halloween look at the end. Yay, Halloween! I love Halloween. No idea how this is going to work. Oh, look at that. It's like creamy. I know there's people that's horrified that I'm sticking my finger in it, but it was literally $1. I do not care. bang, 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 bang.